Nonna. What are you making today?
Salmon.
Salmon. This is what we got this morning from the fisherman. He comes and delivers it every Wednesday. Fresh fish.
C'ho i gamberi nostri pure oggi, mica sono
Ma
belli
fa il
oggi.
Sam? No,
Wow.
questi no. Oh, ce l'hai il salmone?
Sì.
Vuoi quello?
Yeah, io voglio provare.
Volevano tornare.
Going fishing in Castropignano.
Qua mi piace proprio.
Yum. Wow. So we're going to be making salmon
start
today.
rinse.
You're going to rinse it?
I'm going to make all of it. Dopo facciamo il salmone.
Look at the color. The color is so beautiful.
But
Garlic salt. If you don't have garlic salt, just use garlic powder and salt.
I'm going to put it.
Oh, fresh garlic. Clove. Did you get that from the garden, Ma?
Yes.
See, in Italy, everything is fresh, fresh, fresh. Oh, rosemary. Ma, do you like how the fisherman comes to our door every Wednesday?
Yeah.
It's nice, huh?
See,
That's our way of going fishing here in Castropignano.
okay, I'm going to put some
Oh, lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper.
You got that from the United States.
But it's over here too.
Okay. Oh, that's the lemon
The same thing
seasoning roast
for the fish.
for the fish. So use your favorite lemon seasoning.
Yeah, you can put it queste le stesse
Yeah, this is lemon roast season and seafood seasoning.
That's the same
And then
thing.
this is the lemon pepper she
Okay,
used.
this one is something else. It's everything, salt, rosemary.
Yummy.
Questo ci metto pure un po' di roast.
What's that?
It's,
Oh, San Maria. Oh, yeah, you have this in the United States too.
that's all for fish.
Fish seasoning.
Ma that's c'è quagliata, no? Che cazzo è successo sto coso? Ok.
Ma, watch your language.
Okay, they're gonna put salt because there's some salt is in here.
Okay.
This one I put it. Well, I'm gonna put some onion.
Ma, do you put breadcrumb?
Yeah, after.
Oh, after.
And the top.
Okay, so this is olive oil.
Then I'm gonna do like
Just
this.
mix it all together.
I think that's it.
Okay, so slice some lemons.
Sai che c'è il suo mismo, non manca il coso. Okay, I put on the butter.
Oh,
See, like this.
let me see.
Just put some slice on the
Oh, on the
butter.
bottom. smells so good, the lemon. These lemons come from the Amalfi Coast. So you put them underneath here?
Yeah, under the
Oh, look.
little bit of flour. Just put it like this.
Oh, you sprinkle some flour on
Come
top.
nice and soft.
Oh, see, Nonna knows the tricks. Who taught you this?
Nobody. Just by
She-
myself.
She's self-taught.
And let crumbs bread.
Oh, breadcrumbs. Oh, yeah, that's what makes it tasty, too. So sprinkle some breadcrumbs. Plain breadcrumbs.
Faccio vedere, aspetta. Crumbs. Bread. Just a little bit on the top.
Okay. Panno, yeah.
Not that good.
Okay. Is that it, Ma?
Much more, but I'm gonna put some lemon on top too.
Oh. A little bit more garlic salt.
Actually, that's too much. Some is a bit.
No,
Okay, massage with a little bit pepper.
black pepper.
E dopo take some la buccia di limone, ce la metti sopra.
Oh, the skin of the lemon.
Così. To smell the lemon.
I do smell it. More oil, olive oil, extra virgin.
Oh, okay,
Pretty.
I'm gonna cover. I'm gonna cover.
Are you gonna put in the oven now?
Yeah,
Oh, è ora.
e ora, that's it.
Ooh,
Quando stiamo, right now.
okay, we're gonna be 20 minutes. See you soon. Okay, it's been 20 minutes.
I don't think it's ready. No,
Ooh, look, the color changed too.
I'm gonna put you like this.
Okay, so you're gonna let it cook some more? How do you know it's not ready?
Because it's not ready.
Okay, because it's not ready, that's how.
See? No. Poi copri sa. Buoni però, eh?
Oh, it is?
Ma non lascio scoperto.
Okay, so she's gonna uncover it now and let it cook for how much more longer you think?
We see the color.
Okay,
No, dopo sta succo. Poi sta uscendo.
okay.
A little bit dopo.
Ooh, here she goes. She opened it up again. And what do you think, Ma? It's done? It looks like it. It's nice golden color.
Questo è buono.
Ma, that looks like it's done.
I think I copri.
Are you gonna cover it again?
Yeah. Poi sta nata poco, that's it.
Just gonna leave it in there for a little bit more. So it's been about 25 minutes. But everybody's oven is different. Okay. I think it's been about 30 minutes. So depends on your stove. Ooh, look.
I hope it's cooked.
Oh, it looks like it. Yummy.
Gonna leave it
Beautiful.
like that.
Okay.
Let me see inside. Yeah.
Okay, taste it, Ma.
Mm.
Is it dry?
No.
Oh, good. Let me taste it.
There.
Gennaro, come here. Oh, it is good, Ma. It's better than in America.
Oh, yeah.
We went fishing this morning. Actually, they came here. The fisherman came here, and he gave us. We bought some salmon from him. So try it. It's hot. Good, huh?
Just right.
Just right. It's not dry. Good flavor.
It's not dry, you're right. Oh,
Good
fish
job. Salmon. Thank you, Nonna.
mamma non ride, guarda, sempre che mi venuto bene.
It did come out good. Bon appetit.
Grazie.
Okay.
Ci serve il vino,
Okay, go get your wine.
vino bianco.
Oh, white wine he's gonna get.
When I leave this earth,
Yeah?
I go the other one. I hope I find a marching band there, so I can keep playing forever.
I love it.